Yumurtaya devam. Gel bana doğru.
Kars, Sarikamis. Located in the eastern part of Turkey, this magnificent undiscovered ski destination is unknown to many Europeans. I am Zenixman. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm at the Sarikamis Hotel District. As you see, you will see lots of hotels around here, and I just wanted to give you some more information about where the hotels are located, so that where are they comparing to the ski lift. So this one is the Grand Toprak. Behind that one is the Chamkar. It's taking from here to walk around 5 minutes. Whenever you arrive there, you can take the lift and go up. However, I stay here at the Kaya Resort. This one is a good one as well. The only thing that I need to do, I need to hold my snowboard and walk like 5 minutes to get in the lift. They have another lift just in front of the hotel. So now, as you see, we are behind the Kaya Resort, and you're going to see the ski lift, and you can go up on top of that and take it down and go from Chamkar to the top of it. So the ski lift is nearby. If you're the beginner level, then you can take the ski lift and go to this small hill and slide down and take the other lift and go on the top of the mountain. But if your level is intermediate or advanced, you can just walk there. It's easier, and also it's fun. This is the first lift that we are taking from the Chamkar Hotel and going up to the mountain. And in this on the mountain, we will take the second lift to go on the top of the summit. And the summit is called Bayrak Tepe. Bayrak means in Turkish the flag, so they're calling it Flag Hill. This one is really comfortable as well, and I'm going on the top of the mountain, the Bayrak Tepe, as you see. Look how magnificent the view is. I have seen Kuzey. He's on the top of the mountain.
Evet. Aferin Kuzey. Geç yanımdan. Yavaş yavaş dönerek kayıyorsun. Dönerek.
I was following this guy on the Instagram for a long time. Do you know what his surname is? Tiryaki. Just like my surname. So we just met on the top of the mountain, as you see. It's on the Bayrak Tepe. It's Sarikamis, Kars. So Caner Tiryaki, Cüneyt Tiryaki together. Here you go. What do you want more? How much is renting a snowboard for one day?
60 TL.
60 Turkish lira. It's around 8 euros for a day for a snowboard. Can you imagine that? Or ski, ne kadar?
O da 60 TL aynı.
This is even the ski is the same price, so you don't need to bring all your things. You can get the boots and skis and everything for really cheap price. Well, what about if the people come here to Turkey for winter sport holiday? Can they be understood? Most of the people cannot speak English. What are they going to do in this case?
In this case, they don't have the problem, because we have got many guys who speaks English very well and fluently. They won't be having any problem in Turkey, especially in the Sarikamis, if they are coming. Also, we have got alternative, maybe Kayseri, Erciyes. But at the moment, I am going to recommend you Sarikamis. You have got very nice snow, and we have got very pine trees like in 30-40 meters. In this neighborhood, you are going to be very well. What you are gonna do? Peace, peace, and peace.